Oh my god. Boom. What is up, YouTube? Murderkiss back here, bringing you guys an exciting new video. This is my new G35, new to me. This is a 2007 base model G35 coupe. I picked it up literally from this video about 3 days ago, so this is like my 4th day driving it. And guys, this thing is so much fun. It's a 3.5 liter V6, and I'll just give you guys a little walk around. There's the back G35. If you guys have been watching my channel, or if you're new, this is a huge milestone for not only myself but the channel. I make these car POV videos, and you know, I've gone through a 328 to a SLK 230 to now this is my newest pickup. I have joined the JDM gang. But guys, I'm so excited to show you what's going on. She is absolutely mint in terms of the interior. A couple dings, scratches and stuff, but yeah, still have yet to find a name for this car, but let's start her up. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Let me give you guys a rev. It's got 194,000 miles, and but I'm honestly not too worried about it. It drives so good. I'm just so excited, and yeah, let me give you guys a rev. I hope the camera can pick that up, but it sounds good. It sounds really good. The only issue with this car when I picked it up was it needed a new battery, but other than that, knock on Infiniti, it's been very solid. And let's get you guys that POV. Let me put my seatbelt on. But yeah, the interior, if you're looking in the market for one of these, the interiors are usually like completely thrashed, but this one is pretty mint. Also came with this head unit, which I really enjoy. Has Apple CarPlay. Oh, this road sucks for my alignment. Oh, I can feel it messing up my alignment, this wobbly road. But I actually just took some pictures with my Sony camera of this bad boy. I'm gonna post that on the forums and stuff on Facebook. There's like a lot of G35, you know, communities. Super good. But yeah, guys, this thing is absolutely mint. Let's get it a pull right here. Give him some space. Wow. Oh my god. I love this car. I think this is my favorite car out of all the ones I've owned so far. I think this one tops all of them. Knocks it out the dust. Just the way it feels, sounds. I mean, this is money. Shout out Infiniti. Shout out the engineers. Shout out Nissan. They absolutely killed this car. And if you're in the market for one, I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I mean, the sound is intoxicating. Like, it's literally intoxicating. Oh my gosh. Like, I have the biggest smile on my face when I just drop a gear. Like, you can't tell me, like, oh my gosh. And to think they're gonna get rid of gas-powered cars is crazy to me. Like, that noise is so nice. You're not gonna get that in your Tesla. That's all I gotta say. Or your Prius either. I can make that joke because I own one. Oh my god. I mean, this thing's so, it's fast. It's honestly, it's the fastest car I've owned. Let me put the windows up. This is definitely the fastest car I've owned. And with owning a fast car comes great responsibilities. AKA don't be, you know, you can guess it for me, but yeah, owning a fast car it's the move. It's absolutely the move. I mean, this is plenty fast for me. Honestly, anything more than this is just like overkill. I think this is honestly like perfect. And it's very cruisable too. I have it in an automatic transmission. I wish I got the manual, but it was, the prices were almost double than the automatic. And you know, I recently I haven't updated the channel, but I recently sold the SLK to an older gentleman. Shout out that guy. He mailed my plates back after I sold him the car. He gave me cash. Shout out that dude. Thank you for returning the plates through the mail. But yeah, so I sold the SLK for $3,000. I bought it for $2,000, and then I'll just say it in this video, I bought this for $3,500, which I think was an absolute steal, honestly. I Carfaxed it, everything checked out. Actually 2 days after I bought it, I registered it in my state. So I am legal, I'm insured on this car. I do have to get it inspected. I will figure that out. I think I have 30 days from about a couple days ago to figure that out. But I think it will pass inspection. It feels so tight. The suspension feels really good. The previous owner definitely put a lot of work in this car, I can tell. And like I'm telling you guys, the JDM like quality control is miles ahead of the European counterparts. I mean, that SLK had so many issues. I mean, knock on plastic, but this thing has been like honestly flawless. I've put 200 miles in the past couple of days, and she purrs like a kitten. I mean, I think it revs at like 400 RPM at idle, which is absolutely insane to me. And when I want to, you know, go fast, it just goes and goes and goes. But yeah, like I am so excited to show you guys this build. I just got it, so I think I'm gonna do exhaust first, a whole new exhaust setup. Keep up with all the maintenance, all the brakes, rotors. I got the car lifted up, and it looked very good for the amount of miles it has. I cannot complain, and the price I paid for, I'm just so happy to be able to get a fast car. Because once I sold the Mercedes, I was driving just the Prius for a while, and man, I love that car, don't get me wrong, I love the Prius, but if you're a car guy, you can't really be driving a Prius all the time. It's a great secondary car, but I need something fast, and this checked all the boxes, literally all the boxes. Rear-wheel drive, which I prefer in a sports car, and it's super low to the ground. It just feels so good, and I'm just so grateful to, you know, everything worked out. But just want to give you guys a quick POV video. Please like and subscribe if you've not. Helps the channel grow, and I'll catch you on the next one. Murticus out. Peace.